MSP and You, defining Barbados' ocean future. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface and is critical to life on our planet. It contains hundreds of thousands of species, many of which contribute trillions of dollars in nature capital, global trade, and employment. For centuries, people have used and exploited the ocean. But now, we need to take care of this ecosystem for current and future generations. MSP, or Marine Spatial Planning, brings different ocean users together to make decisions about the use and protection of our waters. In this series, we pose the same questions to different experts and learn from their answers. What does MSP mean to you?
To me, a very practical definition of what a marine spatial plan is really an integrated and systematic approach to getting the best benefits out of any marine area. And this is problem solving as well as creating opportunities in the ocean space from the sea in so many ways.
What is your role within the MSP process?
Well, I'm representing CERMES as part of the University of the West Indies Cape Hill campus. There are quite a few of us on board with this marine spatial planning process. And one of our main aims is to contribute data and information and expertise to the process. This is not only marine science, but also social sciences, governance, livelihoods, socioeconomics. And I think in that way we can contribute a lot, but also to provide data that is available to the public so that the public can be more informed and engaged in the entire process.
How do you think you can contribute to the MSP?
Well, the strategy of the University of the West Indies as a whole is really to contribute towards sustainable development. And in CERME's role, we also see the need to promote and demonstrate the benefits of higher education and research, which is what we do across several disciplines, to that process of sustainable development in the Caribbean region. For the ordinary person, we are expecting that this will translate into more benefits in terms of economic development, innovation, technology, but also being able to make decisions that can contribute at the level of a household, the enterprise, and indeed the entire country toward development goals that are both social, scientific, and really determined by the people who are engaged in benefiting from these efforts. So marine spatial planning is really a very comprehensive process that should engage anyone who has an interest in the ocean, as well as being an extension to the land-based physical development and coastal zone management plan. So it's not something entirely new. It is an extension to our jurisdiction limits in the sea.
Aspects of marine spatial planning, or MSP, have been informally practiced in Barbados for a long time. Now, our intention is to formally develop and designate areas of activity through a comprehensive consultative process based on science and extend this out to Barbados's maritime boundaries. Underpinning this process is Barbados's Debt for Nature transaction, which was completed in 2022 and generated the savings to finance a long-term marine conservation program and create the Barbados